This is a solar powered light box I built for camping. It's totally self-contained. It has internal batteries. You'll get about 4 or 5 hours of runtime on high, and you'll just recharge it the next day in the sunlight. And we'll take a look at that light. And this would set however you want it to provide light. Toggle switch. Take a look at the inside. Okay, so all I've done is taken the guts out of a home yard light or shed light and repurposed it in this portable case. So I took the solar panel, added the toggle switch as an interrupter to the batteries, and I added the batteries, and I added their solar shed light, which I modified a little bit to go in this case. And this is just an old plastic case from some old drill that died a long time ago. And there it is. There's the project. Hope you like it. Hope you build it.